Just stay out of the tunnel in the blue.
The subway tunnel?
Yeah. Just stay out of the tunnel in the blue.
The subway tunnel?
Yeah.
And then I walked past a subway station, and when after 3 blocks we could finally see, and I saw these people coming out of the subway, and they were worse off than we were. It looked like a bag of cement had just been poured all over them. And I was asking around what happened, because we didn't know. Was there a bomb in our building? We were right across the street from a federal building, so I assumed that's what got hit.
Mm-hmm.
And then the woman from the subway goes, no, the bomb was in the subway. We all thought we were right in the center of the bomb because nobody had an idea what was going on.
It must have been terrifying.
It gives you some idea of the magnitude of the explosion that everybody felt.
They were having coffee in the World Trade Center when the first plane struck.
And all of a sudden it sounded like, I don't know where the subway is, but it sounded like a subway collision, a bomb, and it was just pounding, boom, 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 and I literally thought the subway had exploded and all the cars put the land on top of it. It was just so loud.